Hey guys, Joe from Oneupreviewz, and today we got a look at NYJAH Houston's second sneaker, the Nike SB NYJAH 3.2. Before we get into the review, just want to remind you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell as well, so you never miss a video. With that said, let's get opening. So, if you cannot tell by the box, it is a Nike SB, not just any Nike SB, it is NYJAH Houston's signature line. And we have his Nike SB NYJAH 3.2 in a black sport red, in a US size 8.5, UK 7.5, and it's European 42. Again, for those that don't know who NYJAH Houston is, he's an American skater signed to Nike SB, and in my opinion, he's the best street skater at the minute, or at the moment. Let's get opening. And bang, there we go. Now to the OG heads, like the Nike Air heads, this is an inspiration. Well, it took inspiration, from the Nike Zoom Spiridons, and it's like, if you can't tell by that colorway as well, it's just like a mirror copy of it. But with all that said, let's start with the outsole. It's a simple outsole. Again, I don't know what the name of these shapes are, the grooves, but they groove to the underside of your foot according to Nike. But it's got a nice SB logo at the heel there. And if you go along the midsole, now in the inner it will say Nike 3, which gives it its lightweightness. And I can't tell if this is like made of nylon, but it does feel like the whole midsole and the outsole is just a rubber unit. And what the thing about NYJAH is, I think he loves rubber, because the whole upper, like a 360 look around, it is a rubber upper. Obviously you got the mesh infused as well, and that is because NYJAH likes to skate in shorts, and he's like skates in California where it's like really hot, obviously, so he wants to get that breathability, and that's what you get with the mesh upper here. And again, if you look at the lacing system, it's like tubular, and it is similar to the Spiridon as well. Like, I'm pretty sure that was one of his favorite trainers. The whole color is that Spiridon. If you're a big fan of the Spiridon, go get a pair. This is going to be my first time trying it on as well, so if there's anything like similar to the NYJAH 3 ones that we had, I mean, we did the review earlier, and to be honest, I found those were a bit like too tight. I think that is because they were suited for narrow feet. To be fair, I do have narrow feet, but it was, for myself, it was quite difficult to get in. But I can't wait to try these on, because this is a skate shoe, so there has to be some sort of comfort. But before I get into the in shoe, I just want to mention that the pull tabs as well, I totally forgot to mention about the back. So in the heel counter, you have the Nike SB logo with the 2 on the pull tab as well, just to signify that is the NYJAH 3.2. And you have NYJAH's name on the tongue there as well. And the tongue is nicely padded. So with all that said, I can't wait to try these on. Let's do it. So despite it being a bit tight where the front of my feet are, it was easier to get on in the first versions of these sneakers. I do like the look of it. It's not like constraining my foot. I can understand why there's some breathability issues in the first one that NYJAH wanted addressed here. But overall, this is a really cool looking trainer, sneaker, skate shoe, whatever you want to call it. If I didn't know any better, I'm looking down, I'd think I was wearing the Spiridons. But this is really cool to add to your collection if you're a fan of Nike Houston, if you're a fan of Nike SB, if you're a skater yourself. These are quite comfy. I'd say they need to be a bit worn so you can maximize the full comfort of this sneaker. But the only gripes I have are the front of my feet. They're feeling a bit tight, but I'm sure that after skating in these, I'll break them in. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Instagram at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Till next time, peace.